So the sum to infinity of that series, so series A is 40, and to find the common ratio, I divide the second term by the first term, so that's going to be minus 24 shared by 40. I'll just bring that down to the lowest form, minus 24 over 40, minus 3/5, and I want the sum to infinity, so the formula for sum to infinity is A over 1 minus R, so that's 40 divided by 1 take away minus 3/5, that's 40 shared by double minus there, so that's 1 and 3/5, which is 8/5, which the 8/5 flips up to 5/8 times 40, and 8 and 40 goes 5, 5 5s, 25. Part B, another GP has first term A, common ratio R, the fourth term is 8, so the fourth term is A R to the power of 3, always one less power than the term number, and that is equal to 8. The sum of the third, fourth and fifth is 28, so T3 plus T4 plus T5 is equal to 28. Right, T3 is AR squared, T4 is AR cubed, and T5 is AR to the power of 4, and that equals 28. Okay, so these are the two equations that I'm going to be solving. So you know the method of solving GPs really is by doing a division. So if I take the two equations 1 and 2 and I do 2 divided by 1, I divide the left hand sides, divided by AR cubed equals 28 over 8. Now I can factorise the top line. AR squared is a factor, so that would be 1 plus R squared on top over AR cubed equals, and 28 over 8 will cancel down, 4 will go into each, 4 into 28 goes 7, 4 into 8 goes twice. Okay, the A's will cancel, and I got an R squared on top, R cubed on the bottom, so that will, the R squared will go into the R cubed R times, and then cross multiply, so that's 2 bracket 1 plus R squared equals 7R, expand out, 2 plus 2R plus 2R squared is equal to 7R. I collect everything onto the left hand side, 2R squared plus 2R plus 2 minus 7R equals 0. So 2R squared, 2R minus 7R is minus 5R plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so that's the first part, showing it satisfies that equation, and I'm told given mod R is less than 1, find the value of R and the corresponding value of A. So I need to solve this equation. So it's got to be 2R and R, and 2 and 1, 2 and 1, and then both minuses. So that gives me either R equals a half or R equals 2. I'm told the modulus of R is less than 1, so if mod R is less than 1, then I'm taking R equals a half, R equals 2 is bigger than 1, so then I need to find the corresponding value of A. So I go back up to the first equation, it's easier than the second one, so I know that AR cubed equals 8, so A times a half cubed equals 8, so half cubed is 1/8, so that's A over 8 equals 8, So A is 8 times 8, so A is 64.